Is we start our tour in London, and we leave London, we go play all these places, and by the time you get done touring Europe, I'm so glad to come back to London, because then we can speak our language again. So, and I hate France. Anybody from France here?
No.
I hate it.
You can't do this in France.
Yeah, can't do this in France.
You can't do
Apparently everybody hates France.
No.
There's one or two things are alright, but they're not nice to them.
Tell me what they are, because I
Wine
don't
and
get it.
cheese, but everything else you can forget.
We have the hair.
Okay, no, I know what it
Yeah,
is.
you do.
I know what it is.
You beat
They
someone
got
now with wine,
the
I'm
Mona
kidding.
Lisa, and Jim Morrison's buried there.
Yeah, that's true. We know someone who was trying to find that, don't we?
Did you ever find it?
Morrison's grave.
Yeah.
I know how to
Yeah.
find it. I've done it
Was
3
you?
times.
One of my mates, I can't remember, one of my mates was trying to find Jim Morrison's grave, made a complete ash of it. It didn't end it.
Okay, this one will shock you guys. In Paris, when you're walking downtown, they have this board that kind of goes up like that, like this, and there's a trough underneath it, and you just walk in there and you pee right there on the street. First time I saw that, I went, "What?" That's you don't even
You can only do that in France.
only in France.
Men or women?
We have
think it's
that
just
at my
men,
bar,
right?
my local pub.
Just men.
I think so, yeah.
Yeah.
The
Okay,
306 Lounge where I drink on Friday nights, every
It's a
Friday night,
trough.
we call it the piss trough. And they built a piss trough. And there's a Spirit of the Wild, which I hung up. Ted Nugent's Spirit trough is right in the right-hand corner of that. And it's made it now for like 8 weeks.
That bar's been there for
Usually they tear down every sticker I hang up in there, but the Spirit of the Wild is in the piss trough right now. Not in the trough, but above the trough.
All right. Well, let's take the conversation a little higher now.
Out of the trunk.
Everybody's got to do it. You brought it up.
Funny.
You started